What's up, guys? This is my roommate. Say what's up, dude.
What's up, dude?
And this is a remodeled room. He killed a pony. He killed a pony. That was upside down until now. Memory make me want to go back. Yeah. You see that stain on that flag? That's blood. That's actually real blood. That flag's like from the 1980s when my great grandpa was in the army. And he got stabbed. He got stabbed. That's like why I've got that. It's like a birthmark. You see this? This is a lot cheaper than Coca-Cola, okay? It's like, okay, you can buy like a 26 pack for $5. And it's good. Get the red kind. It tastes like cough syrup. These are good and cheap too.
Only 84 cents.
84 cents, exactly. And I'm rich, bitch, because I got a Walmart Visa card. And later it's going to have $123 on it. Yay! That means I'm going to Sloss Furnace tonight. So everybody go to Sloss Furnace. Go to Sloss Furnace. It was awesome last year. It's broken.
No, it's not.
It looks like it's broken.
It's not broken, though.
This phone's broken. But it works. Okay. Here's my Xbox.
It's worth it.
And here's his PlayStation 2. Where's it at? Oh, there it is. Yep, see, there's PlayStation 2. There's TV. I'll be glad when I get my flat screen TV again. Oh, and this picture is awesome. Check this out. And as usual, I got this in my room. Want to see something awesome? The closet looks a lot different. I don't think there's an evil monkey in my closet anymore. Where's the bow at? We've got a bow. A bow! Let's see it. Bow. It's in the water.
Hey, look. It's a bug.
It's a bow. And I've got a pink shirt.
You see it? It's pink.
And some blue pants, shorts. And some candy. Old candy from about a year ago candy. Try to find that receipt for my Walmart card
Alright.
for me real quick. Check this out. I'm talking to the people, see if I can find it. I've got a bunch of... Here's my car keys. These keys go to a Ford pickup truck. A really, really old Ford pickup truck.
You serious?
Zippo. Fake Zippo. Doesn't really work that good.
Zippo.
These shoes don't fit me anymore. If anybody wants to buy them, I'll sell them for $20.
Thank you, Dan.
Try to find that receipt for me real quick, dude. And then I got
Thank you, dude.
Serinity.
Thank you, dude.
Serinity. That's like the good kind. Blueberry skunk. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. I'm going to look for my Walmart receipt where I can put money on my credit card thingy. Peace, bye-bye.